Hi, welcome, it's so nice to see you. The little Osmo Pocket is a fantastic device on its own. You're fired up and you're good to go. Nevertheless, I still have a small amount of accessories, and that's what I'm going to show you here today. This little pouch used to be a pouch that I had some of my makeup when I was traveling. I don't know when I got a new one, but this one was just lying behind in the cupboard and was not in use. And when I saw it, I thought it would be perfect to keep my Osmo Pocket products in here. And it is. I have never in my entire life had such a small camera bag as this one. It's perfect for the Osmo Pocket and the accessories I have. And now let me show you what's inside it. I have, of course, the Osmo Pocket on its own, and on the Osmo Pocket is the little lightning connector, if I should use it. And in here is also the charging cable for the pocket. And then I have the Wi-Fi mount, and also the mount from Polar Pro. It's heavy. It's just a little rubberized mount where you can put the Wi-Fi module in, and on the side there is a connection for, so you can actually charge the Osmo Pocket while it's in here, precisely as if you didn't have the extra mount. But this mount also contains a 1/4" screw, I think it's called, for tripods, and the base just on its own with the pocket on is perfect if you're doing time lapses or motion lapses where you need to have the pocket to be on a specific place without moving, and it's solid and it's good. In here I also have another little pocket. I keep for the adapter for the SD card. I used to have an extra SD card, but it broke, and now I only have one, so I really need to be careful about that before I get a new one. I also have the adapter for the audio. It's I haven't been using it yet, but it's I have it, and the small adapter for USB-C telephones. If I get one of those, or I borrow my husband's phone. And last but not least, I have filters from Polar Pro. I used to have 2 of those boxes, but because I have the limited edition and the shutter edition, but I found out that the limited edition was 4 filters from Polar Pro, ND32, ND64, and the 2 polarized filters are also 32 and 64. And the shutter edition was only 3 filters, the ND4, 8 and 16. And first I put them in here as this, the 2 of them, but then I had the spare one, and I thought, what a shame that I didn't room enough for this one. But then I figured out, and if I just press it here, because all this is rubber, it fits, it doesn't fall out, and it's perfect just to have one single little what is it called, cage for the filters. So that's where I'm having now, and that's the accessories. And you know what, I just love how portable the little Osmo Pocket is, and the only extra thing I have is a tripod, a small gorilla pod, and that's what I'm filming on right now with this camera. It's my Sony 5100 attached to that, and up here is my phone, and that's my old and trusted iPhone SE. I really love that because it's small as well. So small things it's like to travel with, and I'm not going to get any extras for my Osmo Pocket. This is very fine for me, and I think I can manage more or less everything just with those few accessories here. Thank you for your time. Like and subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.